My name is Vikas Rawat, and I am the founder and CEO of Global Garner Sales Services Private Limited. And I welcome you all in short business opportunity presentation of Global Garner. So let's start. We started our operation in Feb 2016. We officially launched our app in 2017, April 2017 to be very specific. Till today, we have done a GMV of more than 120 crores, and this company was started with the loan capital of only 3.08 lakh rupees, which today is almost 216 crore rupee company, and this valuation is done by Pentomath Capital Advisory Private Limited, which is a category 1 merchant banker, and this valuation has been done in November 2019, right? Adding to few of more of our achievements, we have been awarded by two of these CMs of the country, one from Gujarat, one from MP, and also we are very and proud to tell you that Times of India is our shareholder. So we are a Times Group invested company where Times Group has studied our business model, and here it has showed trust in our business model and the entire leadership of Global Garner. So I think that is the biggest achievement of Global Garner till date, that a 180-year-old company has shown that much trust to us that they have become our shareholders. Okay. So now let's see what is Global Garner. First of all, to become our user or customer, there is no investment required. Just download our app by going on Play Store or maybe iOS Store. That's it. Download and start using. And what you need to do is simple. You have to just shop. Nothing else. Same brands, same facilities, same services where you were doing it since long. Same websites, same Big Bazaar Shopper Stop, same Arrow shirts, same your nearby stores. We are not changing any preference of a customer. But now, as a customer, you are eligible for two things. First, an automatic cashback on your shopping, which will vary from 2% to 100% depending upon your choice, from our four different type of cashback. And best part of this cashback is that you can take these cashbacks into your bank account, right? So this cashback is not something which you have to compulsorily use, or you have to use in some other shopping, right? So secondly, you also get a guaranteed 100% cashback on whatever you shop on Global Garner in form of GG coins. And mind it, this is applicable on light bill also, it is applicable on your mobile bill also, it is applicable on your Big Bazaar bill also, it is applicable on your Amazon, Flipkart, Ajio, Alibaba, wherever you shop, and even on your nearby shops, right? Please understand, this is really simple. It is really simple. And now these GG coin you get immediately in a form of GG coins. You get 100% cash back, which you can first of all use in your next shopping. Secondly, you can also convert them into real money in our two cashback options, which is FIFO and MyCircle, right? To know more about these cashback options in detail, you have to actually attend our full BOP. But still, just understand, this is possible. This is possible. Plus, now what you were doing since long for different organization, different company, now if you do that in Global Garner, you are eligible to earn a crore on every 10,000 rupees spent. And what you need to do for that is simply you have to refer 6 users to Global Garner, and that's it. Yes, it is simple. That simple. Please understand. It is that simple. Because you are just referring, which you have done with several organizations, like you have recently must have done with Google Pay. You must have told someone about Facebook. You must have told someone about WhatsApp. You must have told someone about Ola, Uber, and you got some incentives, some 50 rupees, some free rides, something in initial days. But today, all these big companies have grown to billion-dollar companies, and today we do not get anything. There is no one in this world who can tell me that he has seen a WhatsApp ad and he has downloaded the app. No one in this world has actually seen a Facebook ad and they have downloaded the app. Even in starting of Ola, Uber, there was no ad campaign which happened which actually a user has seen and downloaded the app and started using it. It was we who actually created this environment for these companies to grow. But today we are not earning anything out of that. But Global Garner has created a ecosystem in my circle where now you get, first of all, that immediate incentive. When you referred Google Pay to someone and that someone has used Google Pay, you got that 50 rupees. You are getting that instant incentive also here. But the bigger part is you keep on getting it, and up to 1 crore rupee on every 10,000 rupees spent. Please understand. And yes, all this at zero investment from the user. User need not to invest even a single penny in Global Garner to get any sort of cashback, right? So now choice is really simple for a user, that either you shop without Global Garner and get guaranteed zero, or you shop through Global Garner and get guaranteed cashback and rewards, right? And to know more, there is a link given in this YouTube video where you can just click and get the details about the entire process, right? There is a video also, and this link will also take you to our website where everything is given in detail, where you can read about us. Okay, thank you very much. So this was just a small brief about us. So let's join hand to empower India and empower everything.